In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in floating window. Then open it in the background. In order to do that with trickiest navigation, click on the square button. Finally, tap on the top right corner of your app. And as you can see now, I can use it in this little window. If you want to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. Then let go. If you want to make it smaller, tap on the home button or select this line at the top left corner. You can access it again by clicking on the bubble. To use your app, overlay the other one, just open the other one and operate in both. If you want to use this app in full screen view, click on the top left corner. If you want to close it instead, select this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!